In this video, we will show you how to clear incognito history. When you're using incognito mode on Google Chrome web browser, sometimes it's appear the website that you just visit. For example, like this. In here, when I to open these websites, okay, when I already visit these websites, then we open incognito mode, okay, you can see when we open incognito mode, when we type, okay, you can see there is history from the websites. Okay, how to clear incognito mode? Because in here we don't have the history menu on the incognito mode. If you press Ctrl plus H button, you can see it's not appear history menu in here. Okay, so the option just got it and close incognito. To remove this history from incognito mode, actually you need to go to general Chrome web browser. Okay, back into your Chrome with the incognito mode. After that, just click these three dot icons and select history and select the history tab. And you can see you can delete browsing data here and select advanced and just tick the all option in here and select time range is all time. After that, you can click delete data. Then when you go to incognito mode, okay, it will not appear the history. For example, like this. When I press W in here, notweirdata.com not appear again. So that's all how you can remove the incognito history. When you using incognito mode to open the website, it will not appear on the current Google Chrome or general Google Chrome. Okay, if you open in the incognito mode here, you can see this website will not on the history. Okay, you can see when I press this button and select history, okay, there is no history here. That is different. When you're using general Google Chrome in here, okay, searching websites or opening websites, the history will exist also in the incognito window. So you need to remove from this general interface. And that's all tutorial how to remove incognito mode history in Google Chrome web browser. It is the same when you are using the Microsoft Edge. Okay, on the Microsoft Edge, if you are using the web browser, okay, when you are using the private window, okay, it will also appear. You can see there. Okay, the history is appear. So because on this menu also don't have the history menu, you can see no history menu in here. You need also to clear the history, okay, on the this three dot icon and select history. Then just click this delete browsing data and select all time and tick all of this time and click clear now. Okay, then when you open the private window, when you press W again, no history in this private tab. Okay, that's all how you can remove history from private tab and also incognito mode. Thanks for watching.